Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SunTrust Transition Truist credit card portal step by step clearly. To register with the SunTrust Transition Truist credit card portal, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Truist website link. Press enter to load the page. Once on the Truist homepage, look for the sign in option located in the top right corner. Click on sign in to proceed. On the sign in page, you will see a link that says register. Click on the register link to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in the required information such as your personal details, including your name, social security number, and date of birth. Next, enter your Truist credit card number when prompted. You may also need to provide your email address and phone number for verification purposes. After filling out the form, review the information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Truist. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your registration. After verification, return to the Truist homepage. Now, click the Sign In option again. Enter your new username and password created during the registration process. Click the Sign In button to access your credit card portal. You are now successfully registered and can manage your Truist credit card online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.